Hi, my name is Biagio, and I'm a librarian for the Yonkers Public Library. I'm going to be showing you how to use a service that we have, a free service called Freegal. It's basically a music service with over 15 million songs and over 200 genres. I'm going to show you how to access this service by using your library card. The first thing you do is go to ypl.org, which I'm already at. You're going to go to technology. You're going to hover over technology with your cursor, and you're going to left click on e-library. It's going to lead you to this page. You're going to scroll all the way to music, and you're going to click on Freegal. Right now, when you click on Freegal, it's going to ask you for your library card number and your PIN number. Your library card number is found behind your library card, and your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your phone number. Okay? And that number needs to be associated with your library card. So, but it is the last 4 digits of your phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Freegal. Now, I'm already signed in, but usually, as I said, you get prompt to put your library card number and PIN. So here I am, signed in, and basically, in my opinion, this is best to use as a streaming service. Right now, you have unlimited streaming on the website, okay? Unlimited. And we see here you get 5 downloads per week, okay? I currently have 3 downloads left this week. Every Monday you'll get 5 new downloads. But basically, as I said, mainly for me at least, it's best used as just a streaming service. So you can just listen to your music on your computer or on your device of choice, whether it's a tablet, whether it's a phone. Okay. If you go to the App Store, you'll be able just type in Freegal, and you'll be able to find it and just download it for free on your phone. Okay, and just keep in mind this is also a free service. Now, let's say I want to listen to something. Okay, I happen to be a Bob Dylan fan. I'm going to type in Bob Dylan in the search box right here. Bob. Okay. The artist shows up, as well as his songs, and as well as all of his albums. As you can see here, if I go to view all, I'm going to get all of Bob Dylan's albums on this website. Now, this website is partnered with Sony. Bob Dylan's record label is partnered with Sony. So you're going to find a lot of musicians that are affiliated with Sony Music. And luckily, Bob Dylan is associated with Sony. So here we are. I like to search by the album, okay? Because I recognize songs on which album they're in. You can definitely, if I go back, you can definitely go through songs, view all, or you can search for specific song. But anyway, let's go through the albums, which I like best. View all is his albums. So I'm in the mood to listen to Another Side of Bob Dylan. Okay, I'll click on the album, and here we are. These are all the songs on the album. If you look at, let's say I want to listen to a Spanish Harlem incident, okay? I can click on this button here, which is the arrow button, and it's going to stream it to my computer. I'll show you. Okay?
Gypsy gal, the hands of Harlem cannot hold you.
So that's that's Spanish Harlem. That's Spanish Harlem incident by Bob Dylan. And once again, I'm streaming it right to my computer, no problem. Now, if I go all the way to the right here, there are some options that I have. I can add the song to my wish list. So that's in case if I've run out of downloads, I could put it on a wish list. So next week, when I have more downloads, I can go back to it and download the song. I can add it to a playlist. If I left click it, I already have 4 playlists right now. Biagio's favorite songs, Biagio's favorite songs too, freestyle music, and 80s hot songs. I'm gonna add this to Biagio's favorite songs. So all you gotta do is just click on it, okay? And now it's added to that playlist, and I'll show you how to get there later. Let's see here. You can, when you add to playlists, you can also create one. You press create, and you just name it whatever you want, and that's it. And then you just go to create playlist. But I don't want to do that right now. I have a playlist. So that was Spanish Harlem Incident. Or finally, I can download the song onto my hard drive. Now there's an advantage to that because I get to keep the song. It becomes my song. Now, mind you, I have 3 downloads left this week. So you got to be choosy in what you want to download. But I don't mind downloading this song. I left click on the arrow button going down, and a box should come up shortly, which is going to ask me where I want to put the song in. I want to put the song onto my desktop because that's where I'm going to find it. Okay. There's some gibberish here in terms of the title, but I'm just going to type in Spanish Harlem. Use caps there. Harlem Incident. Okay. So I know where it is. I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to minimize my browser, and I will find it right here. Spanish Harlem Incident. I'll put it with the rest of the songs that I've downloaded. And I can play it. And it's going to play through the Windows Media Player. And there it is.
Gypsy gal, the hands of Harlem.
Yes, I know Bob Dylan is an acquired taste, but I've definitely acquired a taste for his music. Now, the advantage is, once again, this is mine to keep. I can add this to my phone. I can add it later to a playlist where I want to maybe burn it to a CD. But they're my songs, all right? Maybe later I'm going to add them to a special folder on my hard drive. I don't know yet, but I'll keep all these 4 songs that I've downloaded here for now. okay? But I really suggest that you use this more as a streaming service. I mean, it's very convenient. You can download the app on your phone, on your tablet, and you have, you have the access to all these songs at a moment's notice. Just the advantage of downloading is just it becomes yours. That's it. Once I download it to my PC, it's mine. That's and I think that's a pretty cool option to have. Okay. Now, of just a few things here. If I go to my music here, I'm gonna see the last few songs that I've played, or rather, the last few songs that I've downloaded. Okay, these are the songs that I've downloaded right under. I just go to my music, but you go all the way to the top. I'll see my playlist. Biagio's favorite songs. I have one song in there. Right? Go back to playlist, freestyle music. I happen to put a Bob Dylan song in there, but I'm going to delete that song from that playlist. Just click on the arrow, and I believe, oh, you just press these three, you see these three dots here? Click on that, and you can remove it from the playlist. I don't want that song in the freestyle music because it doesn't really make sense. Go back to playlist. I got this playlist, and finally Biagio's favorite songs, which is mainly what I really want. One playlist with my favorite songs, and I just want to dump stuff into this playlist. It's just really how I like to do it. So I can go to these other playlists and basically delete them somehow. There's a way here to delete some of the playlists. I'll have to go back to that and figure that one out. But mainly my goal here is to show you how to listen to music on Freegal. Okay? There are music videos as well, but they take up 2 downloads. I don't really suggest it. I don't really suggest you use this as a video download sort of thing. Okay? We have some, audiobooks, which is okay. But then we have the wish list here. These are songs that I may want to go back to in order to download. Okay? But once again, I don't really like to see that. I don't see this as a downloading service. I really see it as a streaming service. I think that's where the meat of it all is. Now I'm going to actually remove these 2 songs from my playlist. These 3 looking buttons here are the key. So just click on it, remove to wish list, remove to wish list. Okay. There's several ways to search for songs. Obviously, you can type in the artist, you can type in the song, you can even browse right here. Click on browse, see what's there. Look at this album here. This is the top greatest instrumentals from 1934 to 1962. This is right up my alley in terms of music. I love instrumentals from the 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. And here we go. I mean, it has this guy's Link Ray. That's his name. I got a feeling they're gonna have his song Rumble here somewhere. Rumble's a great song. Wow, there's a lot of songs on this album, but wow, a lot of songs. But let's say I want to listen to Pipeline from the Shantays. Once again, you click on the arrow, and this Pipeline. If I want to play Bulldog by The Ventures, just click on the play button. You got it. Then you just click down here to stop it. But once again, let's say I want to put Pipeline on a playlist. You go to add a playlist right here to your right. and put it to Biagio's favorite. I'm going to choose Biagio's favorite songs. That's my playlist that I want. And that's it. If I want to download it, I might want to download it too. You know, press download. It's going to come up in a second. Right there, pipeline. And it already knows that I want to save it to my desktop. So by default, it's back to my desktop. Save to desktop. So, I mean, that's the gist of it. I suggest you play around with it. Don't just play around with it and you'll learn how to use it. But these are just the basics. Now, once again, I have one download left for this week. On Monday, today is Tuesday. By next Monday, I'll have 5 more to download. And once again, if you go to Google Play, this could be Freegal could be downloaded on your phone or tablet on Google Play, or you could download it on the Apple Store, and you can stream music all day, whenever you want. To go home, press home. Obviously, takes you to a featured page with featured albums, featured music videos, featured the audiobooks, even featured artists. So this is just an overview, and just my number one advice is just use this. Once again, I hate to repeat myself, but use it as a streaming service. That's when I think it's at its best. If you really want to own a song, you can download a song and put it on your hard drive to keep. But just remember, you only have 5 downloads per week. And that's about it. If you have any questions, you can email me at bcapirchio@ypl.org. And I'll be glad to help you with any questions that you may have. Thank you very much for your time. Take care.